I'm in Hunter's Wharf in Reading. This is a 2-bedroom apartment within a small development, about a 10-minute walk from Reading Oracle and Mainline railway station. The apartment for sale is on the top floor, has an allocated parking space and is also within a gated area. So it's nice and secure, nice and close to town. It's got some nice views across the River Kennet. Let's go inside and take a look around. So one of the first things to mention as we come into the communal entrance is that there is a lift to all floors. Not all developments around the town have that, so when you're carrying your shopping up to the top floor, this is really useful. Okay, so as we come into the apartment, first thing you might notice to my right is the phone entry system, so you can actually see who you're letting in downstairs for security. The entrance hall L-shaped with doors off to all rooms. There is laminate wood flooring throughout. All very nicely presented. The development was built by Bewley Homes approximately 20 years ago, and having seen a number of their developments over the years, they're certainly very well finished. So we've got a fairly open plan lounge, diner and kitchen. The kitchen has been replaced by the current owner, so this was done a few years ago. It's got an integrated fridge and freezer, integrated washing machine. You'll see electric oven and hob just in front of me. There is also space with plumbing for a dishwasher just down here. The units are in a pale grey, so quite a modern style of unit with a mottled black worktop. So as we look down the living room, you've probably noticed the doors at the end. So we'll open those up. We've got what we call a Juliet balcony, and this gives you a view out across the Kennet. I'm looking back towards the town and the Oracle as we are here, and then back the other way is quite a lot of established planting now. So as you see back that way, that's back towards Kennet Island and Junction 11, all accessible via the towpath, which you can see just down there the other side of the river. This is the first of the 2 bedrooms, so master bedroom, good sized double, again with the view across the Kennet. All very neutrally decorated. Built-in wardrobe just to my right, double wardrobe. And then ensuite shower room. The second bedroom, which again is a double with double wardrobe just to my right. And again, views across the Kennet. Okay, and finally the main bathroom. So we've got a full-size bath, which is also tiled with shower above. This is an outside view of the apartment from the other side of the Kennet. So as you can see, nice looking development. And this is the canal side, so the towpath, a couple of canal boats, and looking back towards the town centre and Oracle. Okay, so I'm just outside the gates now, so you can see the gated entrance into the development, accessed by a keypad just to my right hand side, you can also call up to the apartments. From here there's a pedestrian gate. Just as a recap, the apartment has allocated parking, secure entry, it's top floor, it's got views across the River Kennet, and it's about a 10-minute walk from the town centre and Reading Oracle shopping centre. So if you'd like further details, do get in touch. We'd be more than happy to show you around. And thank you for watching.